Hey, beautiful souls! Welcome to Bella Blend, where beauty and brilliance collide. Whether you're a skincare newbie or a makeup maven, this is your destination for tips, tricks, and tutorials that elevate your glow-up game. Get ready to unlock your inner radiance because we're about to embark on a journey to create the ultimate beauty routine for a flawless look. I'm so excited to share my passion for all things beauty with you. From prepping your skin to perfecting that pout, we'll cover it all step by step. Remember, makeup is about enhancing your natural beauty, not masking it. It's about feeling confident and empowered in your own skin. So grab your brushes, your palettes, and your favorite drink, and let's dive in and transform your routine. All right, gorgeous, before we even think about makeup, we need to lay the groundwork for a flawless finish. Your skin is the canvas, and we want it to be as smooth and radiant as possible. And that starts with prepping your skin like the masterpiece it is. Think of it as the foundation of a beautiful painting. Trust me, your makeup will look a million times better on healthy, hydrated skin. First things first, cleansing. This step is crucial to remove any dirt, oil, or makeup residue that can clog your pores. Start by washing away the day's impurities with a gentle cleanser. Choose one that suits your skin type, whether it's foaming, gel, or cream-based. Remember, your skin is delicate, so treat it with love. Avoid harsh scrubbing, which can irritate your skin and cause redness. Massage the cleanser in circular motions, really working it into your pores to remove any dirt or makeup. This not only cleanses, but also stimulates blood flow, giving your skin a healthy glow. And don't forget to rinse with lukewarm water. Hot water can strip your skin of its natural oils, leaving it dry and irritated. Next up, toning. A lot of people skip this step, but trust me, it makes a world of difference. Toning helps to remove any leftover impurities and tightens your pores. Toner helps to balance your skin's pH levels and preps it for the next steps in your routine. It can also add an extra layer of hydration. Look for a hydrating toner that will leave your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid and rose water are great for this. Now for the holy grail of skincare moisturizer. This step locks in all the goodness and keeps your skin hydrated throughout the day. I cannot stress this enough, babes. Moisturizer is a must, even if you have oily skin. Skipping it can actually make your skin produce more oil to compensate. It's all about finding the right formula for your skin type. There are so many options out there, from lightweight gels to rich creams. Oily skin? Opt for a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer. These will hydrate your skin without making it feel greasy. Dry skin? Go for a richer, more hydrating formula. Look for ingredients like shea butter and ceramides that provide deep moisture. Massage it into your skin using upward motions to promote circulation and give your face a natural lift. This technique also helps the product absorb better. And last but certainly not least, sunscreen. This is the ultimate step to protect your skin from environmental damage. This is non-negotiable, my loves. Sunscreen shields your skin from harmful UV rays that can cause premature aging and skin cancer. Sunscreen is your best friend when it comes to protecting your skin from the harmful effects of the sun. Make it a daily habit, rain or shine. It helps to prevent premature aging, dark spots, and wrinkles. Consistent use will keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. Make sure you're using a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher and apply it generously to all exposed skin, even on cloudy days. Reapply every 2 hours if you're outside for extended periods. Remember, beautiful makeup starts with healthy skin. A consistent skincare routine is the key to achieving that flawless base. So make skincare a non-negotiable part of your daily routine, and your skin will thank you for it. Embrace these steps, and you'll be on your way to a radiant, glowing complexion. Now that we've got our skincare routine down pat, let's move on to the fun part, makeup. Makeup is a wonderful tool that allows us to express ourselves and highlight our best features. It's not about masking who we are, but rather about celebrating our unique beauty. But remember, our goal is to enhance your natural beauty, not cover it up. We want to create a look that feels like you, only more polished and radiant. We're going for a fresh, radiant look that lets your inner light shine through. Think of it as a way to amplify your natural glow, making you look and feel your best. For this look, we're embracing the power of less is more. By using fewer products, we allow our skin to breathe and our natural features to stand out. Start with a lightweight foundation or BB cream to even out your skin tone. These products provide just enough coverage to smooth out any imperfections without feeling heavy or cakey. I personally love using my fingers to apply foundation because the warmth of my hands helps to melt the product into my skin for a seamless finish. This method also allows for better control and a more natural look. But you can also use a brush or a sponge, whatever works best for you. Brushes can provide a more airbrushed finish, while sponges can help to blend the product more evenly. Next, let's add a touch of color to those cheeks with a natural-looking blush. Blush can instantly brighten your complexion and give you a healthy, youthful glow. Smile and apply the blush to the apples of your cheeks, blending upwards towards your temples. This technique helps to lift your face and create a more sculpted look. Cream blushes are great for a dewy finish, while powder blushes offer more staying power. Choose the formula that best suits your skin type and the look you're going for. Concealer is our secret weapon for banishing any imperfections and brightening up the under-eye area. It's perfect for those days when you need a little extra help to look well-rested. Use a concealer that's 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone and apply it in a triangular shape under your eyes to create a lifting effect. This technique not only conceals dark circles but also highlights the high points of your face. Blend it out with a damp sponge for a seamless finish. The dampness of the sponge helps to blend the product more evenly and prevents it from looking cakey. Now, let's set everything in place with a light dusting of translucent powder. This step is crucial for keeping your makeup in place and reducing shine throughout the day. Focus on your T-zone, your forehead, nose, and chin, where you tend to get oily throughout the day. This will help to control excess oil and keep your makeup looking fresh. This will help to keep your makeup looking fresh and matte for hours. A little powder goes a long way, so be sure not to overdo it. And there you have it, a flawless base that lets your natural beauty shine through. With these simple steps, you can create a look that enhances your features and boosts your confidence. They say the eyes are the windows to the soul, so let's make them mesmerize. Your eyes can tell a story, captivate an audience, and express emotions without saying a word. With the right makeup techniques, you can enhance their natural beauty and make them truly unforgettable. Whether you prefer a subtle, everyday look or something a little more dramatic, I'm going to show you how to enhance your eyes and make them pop. From soft, neutral tones to bold, vibrant colors, there's a world of possibilities to explore. Let's dive into the art of eye makeup and discover how to create stunning looks that suit any occasion. First things first, eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is the foundation of any eye look, and choosing the right shades can make all the difference. With so many colors and finishes available, it's important to select shades that complement your eye color and skin tone. For this look, we're going to create a soft, neutral eye that complements any skin tone. Neutral shades are versatile and can be worn for any occasion, from a day at the office to a night out with friends. Start by applying a light, shimmery shade all over your lid, from your lash line to your brow bone. This will act as a base and help to brighten up your eyes, giving them a fresh and awake appearance. A shimmery base not only adds a touch of sparkle, but also creates a smooth canvas for the rest of your eyeshadow. Next, take a medium brown shade and apply it to your crease, blending it outwards towards the outer corner of your eye. Blending is key here. You want to create a seamless transition between the colors. This will add depth and dimension to your eyes, making them appear larger and more defined. The contrast between the light base and the darker crease color creates a beautiful gradient effect. Now, let's line those eyes. Eyeliner can dramatically change the shape and look of your eyes, making them appear more defined and intense. For a natural look, use a brown or black eyeliner pencil and apply it along your upper lash line, getting as close to your lashes as possible. This technique enhances your lash line without looking too harsh. You can also smudge it out slightly for a softer effect. Smudging the liner gives a more diffused, smoky look that's perfect for a casual day out or a romantic evening. If you want to create a more dramatic look, use a liquid eyeliner to create a winged liner. A winged liner adds a touch of elegance and can make your eyes look more elongated and lifted. Mascara is a must for any eye look, and it's amazing what a few coats can do to open up your eyes. It adds volume, length, and definition to your lashes, making your eyes look bigger and more awake. Before applying mascara, curl your lashes with an eyelash curler to give them extra lift and curl. This step is crucial for achieving a wide-eyed, doll-like effect. Then, apply 2 to 3 coats of volumizing mascara to your upper and lower lashes, wiggling the wand from root to tip to separate and define each lash. This technique ensures that every lash is coated and maximizes volume. And if you really want to take your eye look to the next level, add a pair of falsies. False eyelashes can add drama and intensity, making your eyes the focal point of your look. False lashes can instantly glam up any look, and there are so many different styles to choose from. Whether you want a natural enhancement or a bold, dramatic flair, there's a pair of falsies for every occasion. Whether you prefer natural-looking lashes or something more dramatic, there's a pair of falsies out there for you. Experiment with different styles to find the perfect match for your eye shape and personal style. Completes your flawless makeup look. And there you have it, your ultimate beauty routine. I hope this helps you feel confident and ready to take on the day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty secrets from Bella Blend. Let me know your favorite tip in the comments. I can't wait to hear from you.